Hello guys! Today we're going to make butterflies. Colorful butterflies. Okay, pick up the pink paper, fold it in the middle, and then draw a butterfly. Let's see how I draw it. Okay, now pick up your scissors and cut it. Okay, I know you can do it faster than me, but let's see how it goes. Okay, finished. Let's see. Wow, a pink butterfly. Okay, perfect. Let's go to the next one. Purple paper, fold it, draw on it, and then cut it. We're going a bit fast. Okay, purple butterfly. Orange paper. Fold it. Draw on it. And then cut it. Orange butterfly. Perfect. Green paper. Fold it. Draw on it. And then cut. Okay, green butterfly. Let's see what's the next color. Red one. Okay, draw and then cut. Blue butterfly. You can make your own shapes, okay? This is how I like my butterflies to be. Yellow butterfly. Black butterfly. Okay. And the last one is brown butterfly. Okay, so colorful. Now let's go to the next step. Pick a big blue paper. We're gonna use it as sky. And then we glue each butterfly on the paper. It's like butterflies are flying. Green butterfly done. Brown butterfly done. Blue butterfly done. Black butterfly done. Purple butterfly done. Orange butterfly done. Pink butterfly done. Red butterfly done. Yellow butterfly done. And then finally, we're going to add some sparkles. We're going to make our butterflies more pretty. You can use your own colors. I used blue, green, black, white. Let's see how it goes. Also, you can draw different shapes like hearts, plus, squares, circles. I don't know, whatever you like. Oopsie. Let's change the color. I can use white. It's better now. Sometimes you make mistakes. The last one? Oh no, not the last one. Here, the last one. And finished. Do you like my butterflies?